Hi everyone. Today we are going to learning if 2 power m plus 2 power n is equal to 40, then m plus n is equal to how much? First of all, here 2 power m plus 2 power n is equal to 40. This is we can write as a 2 power m plus 2 power n. So it can be write as 8 power 8 into 5. 8 is a perfect cube. 2 power m plus 2 power n is equal to 2 cube into the 5 we can write as a 4 plus 1. So this is the exponents and powers problem. And next 2 power m plus 2 power n is equal to 2 cube into this is we can write as a 2 square plus 1 is nothing but 2 power 0. Why we taken a 2 power 0? The 2 power 0 value is 1. Okay, so all bases are equal now. So that's why we have to change. So 2 power m plus 2 power n is equal to, with respect of 2 cube, you can multiply this totally. 2 cube into 2 square plus 2 cube into 2 power 0. Now 2 power m plus 2 power n is equal to, the bases are equal and add the powers. That means 3 plus 2, how much? 5. Plus here 3 plus 0, how much? 2 cube. Now compare on both sides. So what is that? Here 2 power m, here 2 power 5. 2 power n is equal to 2 cube. So let m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 3. Therefore, what is here? M plus n. M plus n is equal to 5 plus 3. Therefore, m plus n is equal to how much? 8. So please watch it, share it and subscribe it.